Okay, I'm going to run through the Toshiba install. This is only a partial install because I can't access any of the devices at the minute. I'll update this at a later date. So this is all done through paper on here. There's some 08 codes to change on the machine first. Then go to your devices in paper cut. We're going to go up here, create a device. Into the drop down, look for Toshiba. There's a few entries there. And the one we do is the V3 Plus. Select that. So give it a name. So I'll do the same as all the others I've done. Give it an IP address. I don't know what they are there, so I'm just going to go with a number. Doesn't mean anything in a minute. The username and password for the web interface. And then selecting what you're going to track on it, whether it's in print release or not. So again, it's usually the follow me queue we're going with, and then the device is coming out on. There's not going to be a device here for it, so I'm just going to pick anything for the minute, and then you do OK. And then what this normally does is it talks to the machine and it installs the app and configures the machine. Once it's done and it's working, normally then you go down here and you will see the scan option somewhere. Okay, because it's not a live machine, it won't let you enable it in a minute. And that's what the Toshiba one's like. The advantage to Tosh over the other ones we've done is when paper updates, so does a copier. Don't have to do the paper updates on the printer at all. Okay, that's it.